Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to Kid Nails. Don't forget to hit like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming next video. So let's get started.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never
Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.